Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about something incredibly important, your brain. We all do things every day that we think are harmless, but some of these habits are silently sabotaging our cognitive health. Let's uncover 3 everyday things that might be damaging your brain and what you can do about it. First up, let's talk about breakfast. That seemingly innocent bowl of cereal or toast with jam you have every morning. It might be a sweet poison for your brain. Think about it. A recent study from Rush University Medical Center followed 5,000 adults and found something startling. Those who regularly ate processed breakfast foods experienced a 28% faster rate of cognitive decline. And for those who favored sugary cereals and pastries, that number jumped to a shocking 44%. So, what's actually happening here? When you eat these refined sugars, your blood glucose spikes dramatically. This surge causes inflammation throughout your body, including your brain. It can even damage the blood-brain barrier, which is the protective shield that keeps toxins out. When this barrier is compromised, harmful substances can enter and wreak havoc. It's so serious that Dr. Suzanne de la Monte, a leading neuropathologist, has even started calling Alzheimer's type 3 diabetes because of the devastating effect sugar has on brain cells. The link is undeniable. Your brain runs on fuel, and giving it a blast of sugar first thing in the morning is like putting the wrong kind of gas in a high-performance engine. Next on our list is something many of us are guilty of: binge watching TV. It might feel like a great way to relax, but your television could be eating away at your brain faster than you think. A study from the University of London tracked 3,500 adults over 6 years. The results were eye-opening. People who watched more than 4 hours of TV a day showed an 8% decline in memory. But it gets worse for binge watchers. Brain scans revealed changes in their brains that were identical to those seen in Alzheimer's patients. You might think watching TV is like resting, but it's not the same as sleep. Sleep is an active, restorative process where your brain cleans itself and consolidates memories. Watching TV, on the other hand, puts your brain into a passive, almost coma-like state. You're not actively engaging, you're just receiving. And news programs? They seem to be the worst culprits. Research has shown that just 14 minutes of negative news can cause your cortisol levels, the stress hormone, to spike by 43%. This chronic stress can literally kill neurons in your hippocampus, which is the memory center of your brain. So, while you're catching up on world events, you might be sacrificing your own memory. Finally, let's head into the kitchen and talk about cooking oils. Those bottles of so-called heart-healthy vegetable oils might actually be frying your brain. When you heat common oils like canola, soybean, and sunflower oil, they release toxic compounds called aldehydes. To put this in perspective, these aldehydes can be up to 200 times more dangerous than the toxins in cigarette smoke. That's a scary thought, isn't it? Research from Temple University backs this up. They conducted a study where mice were fed a diet rich in canola oil. The results? The mice developed brain damage similar to what is seen in Alzheimer's disease and performed 60% worse on memory tests. These industrial seed oils also flood your body with omega-6 fatty acids, which can trigger chronic inflammation in the brain and even accelerate brain shrinkage over time. But don't worry, there's a simple swap you can make. Instead of these highly processed oils, opt for healthier fats like extra virgin olive oil and coconut oil. These oils are much more stable when heated and actually protect your brain cells. Olive oil is packed with antioxidants, and coconut oil provides an alternative fuel source for your brain called ketones, which can help keep it sharp and healthy. So there you have it, 3 common habits that could be harming your brain health. The good news is that you have the power to change them. Start by swapping that sugary cereal for a brain-boosting breakfast like eggs or a smoothie. Cut back on your screen time and be mindful of the content you consume. And finally, make a simple switch in your kitchen to healthier cooking oils. Small changes can make a huge difference in protecting your most valuable asset. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content on how to live a healthier, happier life. We'll see you in the next one.